Welcome to the Super Duper Digital Library. Click on Magnetalk in the Digital Library for more speech and language fun. Click a tile in the bottom scroll to start. Pairs are displayed together. Drag or click the arrows on the right and left to move through the scroll bar. Click the arrow in the center to hide or display the scroll bar. Move the tiles on the board by clicking and dragging. Flip the tiles by double-clicking or hovering over the tile and clicking the Rotate button in the top right. Close out by clicking the X on the top left of the tile. To resize the images on the screen, click and drag the circle on the scroll bar to the right. Drag up to zoom in. To move the board, click and drag. Bring the circle in the bottom right corner of the screen down to zoom out. Click the Shuffle button to put the tiles in a random order. Click Fill options to see different options for filling the boards. Select tile A and B to fill the whole board with paired tiles. Select tile A only to fill the board with the first tile in the pair, such as a question. Select tile B only to fill the board with the second tile in the pair, such as an answer. Click Add Pair to add the matching tile in the pair to the space in the middle of the board. You can then drag the answers to the matching tile. Click Clear Board to clear the board. In the top left corner of the screen, you will find the Options menu. Turn off Display Board to take away the board image and have a blank canvas. Turn on Snap to Board to have tiles easily fall into blank spaces. In some Magnetalk products, select the Check Answer option to display correct versus incorrect answers. If the Check Answer option is on, the student will receive feedback as each tile is placed on the board. If it is off, the student can place all of the tiles and then click the Check Answers button at the bottom of the screen for feedback. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.